When you arrive at Seoul Station using the airport railroad, come up to B3 and you'll see a GS25 convenience store. But they do not sell the Climate Companion card here, so please don't ask for it. Just take the escalator straight up to the second floor above ground, and you can get it there. I bought the Climate card at Starway convenience store now, but you can only buy card. But you need to charge card near gate, go to the line. 1 or line 4 entrances, and there are credit card top-up machines there. Let's go check it out.